This is a 120 stick box of frankincense and myrrh incense by Hem, and it smells fantastic. Now you're going to get 6 of these boxes, and each of these boxes contain 20 sticks each. How perfect is that? And they just smell so good. Each of these incense are about 20 grams, and it has a really long burn time as well. And this is what it looks like, and this is how easy they are to use. So all you're going to have to do is light the tip and allow it to burn just for a little bit. Once it takes, then you blow it out. And you should see the ember at the tip slightly red. And as you can see, it is glowing, and you can also see the incense smoke. And then you just place it into your incense stick holder, just like that. And it has a really long burn time, and it's so relaxing to smell. Definitely recommend it. Let me show you close up. Here's a close-up of the incense, and it just smells fantastic. And this is what the box looks like, and you're going to receive 6 of these boxes, and they're going to have 20 incense each. Definitely recommend these for relaxation, and it makes your house smell good too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.